children, welcome back to English classroom with Sajita ma'am. How are you all? You're all safe, isn't it? Stay home and stay safe. And children, today we are going to learn English alphabet. Are you all ready? Come on, let's get started. Letter Q. Let's take practice of cursive letter Q and reading practice of Q words. This is how you have to write cursive letter Q in the 4 lines. The letter is Q and the letter sound is Q. Repeat after me, Q. Let's read the short sentence. A queen with a quilt. Now read more words. Queen, queen. Question, question. Queue. Quilt, quilt. Quick. Quit. Excellent. Keep learning. Children, I hope you have learned how to write cursive letter and how to read the words. Okay kids, you have to take practice. Practice makes perfect. Good. And dear parent, kindly train your kid by watching this video. Thank you all.